Hi everybody, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we are going to take a look at some awesome Happy Mail that I got from Irma, Doris, and Jamie. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me here today. If you're a fan of all things yarn and crochet, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video or when I go live, which I do weekly. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at my awesome Happy Mail. I'm gonna start with the Christmas cards because you know it is that time of year and I got some amazing Christmas cards, so I want to share those. This first one is from our friend Doris, and that's Doris with Rose Cottage Studio. She, I believe, makes a design and gets her own cards printed. So take a look at this amazing card, you guys. What? Isn't that beautiful? So you got your hooks, and yeah, so it's both hooks, and it says Merry Crocheting and Happy New Year. I love this, Doris. You are so creative, and then there's a ball of yarn in the middle. I love this. This is just super duper creative, but such an amazing Christmas card. Thank you so much, Doris. If you guys haven't checked out Doris yet, please go down below. I'm gonna put her channel link in the description box down below. She doesn't have any video content, but her community tab is always very active. She shares content from other creators. She shares deals when she sees them. So just lots of information on her community tab. So make sure you go down below and hit that. So check her out and hit her subscribe button as well. Alright, also the next card that I got is from Irma, and this is another beautiful card, and I believe that she designed this herself as well. I'm not certain. I don't know for certain, but regardless, it's a beautiful card. So it has a very beautiful Christian saying, which I will read to you. It says, "For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord." And that is Luke 2:11, King James Version. And then inside it says, "Sending a prayer to guide you, hope to cheer you, and love to warm your home. Merry Christmas." And then she has a beautiful note in here. But this is Knitting Turnpike, and that's another channel that I will link down below. Make sure you go check her out. It's an amazing channel. Again, that's Knitting Turnpike. Thank you so much, Irma. I really appreciate this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate both of those cards. I love getting anything from you guys, even if it's just a little note. Thank you so much. Jamie. You guys might know Jamie as Knotty, K-N-O-T-T-Y. But Jamie, what this is, I got this package from Jamie. That's my P.O. Box number. I got this package from Jamie, and I feel squishy yarn. I do. So let's take a look and see what Jamie sent me. I get excited because it's, you know, it's yarn, right? I can't help but get excited. Yarn? So let's open this package. Scissors. Okay, so here's something wrapped in paper. What? It's like a gift. It's another little gift. Ooh, oh, I got some awesome stuff here. All right, look. I'm gonna take this out and show. Oh, and this is like, oh, how pretty. All right. Wait, there's no Jamie in here. I know Jamie's a little ahead to check. All right, anyway, I'm gonna put that back. Let me take a look at this yarn, and then I'm going to take a look at this wrapped little piece here. What? I'm so excited, Jamie. Oh no, it's sealed, and I'm gonna break the seal on this. But I need to look at this and touch it. I need to touch it. That's okay. I have Ziploc bags for this reason. What do I do with those scissors I just had? There they are. Oh my gosh, Jamie. I honestly, I don't deserve you. I'm just saying that. I don't deserve any of you guys, I feel like some days, because you're all so amazing. but give me just a second. And I want to point out something here. Jamie was instrumental in helping me get through a recent time in my life that I had some difficulties, and I won't get into that again because that's not what my channel's about. But she was exceptionally helpful to me, and all of you guys really were, but Jamie just really went above and beyond, and I have to say thank you. You're amazing, Jamie. You really are. Thank you so much. All right, so what? This yarn is so cool. It is Bamboo Bloom. Okay, and there's 2 colorways in here. This is so cool, Jamie, and I don't even know what to do with this. I gotta think on this. But okay, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But this is so it's 48% rayon from bamboo, 44% wool, and 9% acrylic, not willow. I don't know why I was going to say willow. Acrylic. It is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 154 yards, or 140 meters. And it's considered bulky, and I think that's because of the largest size. This is called Arctic Blues, this particular colorway. It is hand washed, lay flat to dry. Okay, and then it looks like they recommend a 5.5 millimeter knitting needle and a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. But look at this, you guys. How cool. It's all these varied, like, so you've got this thinner piece right here, and then you've got this thick, like not really even spun piece right here. This is so interesting, and this colorway is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at that. So beautiful. Oh, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this, but I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, so she got me 2 skeins of that. What? And then she got me 2 skeins. It's the same thing, so I'm not gonna read the specs, but this colorway is called Violet Hues. Violet Hues. What? How pretty! Oh my gosh, it's got like magenta and purple and white. Well, it's not, it's more of like a off-white, like a gray white. But oh wow, it is so beautiful. I love it. But wait, I almost forgot. There's another package. It's not just the yarn. I don't know what this is in this other package. So let's take a look. I'm putting the yarn back in the thing. But that was amazing yarn. Oh my gosh, so amazing. All right, what's in this pack right here? Let's take a look. I can't tell. All right, let's see. Let's see. What is this? Needles and Notions Organizer. Oh my gosh, I love organizers. What? Oh, and it's this beautiful watercolors. Okay, I gotta get into this. Wait, hang on a second. Amy, this is so gorgeous. I love this. Look how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I'm gonna have to do a review on this and show on my channel, but how beautiful. And look at this. Get inside. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Jamie, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this. Thank you. I'm gonna tie this back up here real quick. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to this organizer bag. I can't wait to play with it. I've got so many hooks and stuff that I want to show off with this. But anyway, this is so cool. I love it. Thank you again, Jamie. Thank you, Doris. Thank you, Irma. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are all so amazing. Yeah. Thank you. This Happy Mail is just wonderful. And as we go into the holiday season, I want to tell you all that I'm so thankful and grateful for each and every one of you. This is the time of year to just kind of reflect and at your year and see how it's gone and really just take stock and and what you're truly, truly grateful for, and what really is the most important things in your life. And I just have to say, you guys are among those most important things in my life, along with, of course, my family, and so many other things. But you know, when I think of what's most important to me is, so when I think about what I'm most grateful for in my life, it's my yarn hooker girls, my family, and you guys. And I can't tell you guys enough how much I appreciate you. So I am so incredibly grateful for you. Thank you all so, so much. And before I let you guys go, if this is the kind of content you love, and it just yarn, crochet stuff, all that jazz, then please go down below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like. And while you're down there, comment on what I got in the Happy Mail. Let me know what you think. I love to hear from you guys. And yeah, so you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Really? You're just gonna sit on my Christmas cards? I know you don't like it, but that is not a good spot for you, okay? I know. I'm sorry to make you mad. I'm sorry to make you mad. My Stella girl. I'm sorry. Are you okay now? You guys, so ow. I'm sorry. The cat just clawed me.